Hi everyone, I'm Larissa Staub. I was born and raised in Edmonton, Alberta. Previously, I was a professional soccer player. I've always been really huge on team sports and efforts and seeing people grow, and that's why I indulged into the career of firefighting, because that's everything that it encompasses. So a favorite part of the program would be hands down going into the smoke tower that's behind me, and also the burn tower. You get to go in there with your team, you get to fight fires, you get to hoist up ladders. You really get to put everything that you learned from this program into play, and while doing it with your instructor. So to me, that was the best part of this program so far, and I can't wait to continue doing that through my career. I personally chose Lakeland College because it's the best facility in Canada, period. And it's also super close to my home. When you come to this program, I highly suggest that you dive into absolutely everything, all the material, use all the props, ask your instructors questions, go to your dean. He's a great guy to talk to. You could be hitting the weight room day in and day out, but if you're not using what they have in the field, you're wasting your time. So I would dive into this program, get your head in the books, get yourself in the field, and really get that hands-on experience, and don't be scared to ask questions.